Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the time stretch tool in BandLab so you can slow down or speed up your tracks without affecting the pitch. Let's check it out. So over here I'm working on this track, let's give it a quick listen. Cool, now I like how it sounds, but I'm not really into the drum part. What I want to do is speed it up. So I'm going to go over here to the time stretch tool. I'm going to select it. Next, I'll click on my region. And what I'm going to do is select the bottom right corner of this region, and I'm going to reduce it in size. I'm going to make it shorter, which will speed it up. And I'm going to go all the way to 9 here. Now, as you can see, the transients are getting smaller, but they're the exact same spacing that they were before. What I'll do next is I'll just loop this so it takes up the same amount of space as it did before. Now let's give it a listen. And just like that, you've been able to adjust the speed of the region without affecting the pitch. Thank you so much for watching, keep creating, and I'll see you in the next video.